If you've ever wanted to make your text two-lined in CapCut, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a two-line text layout in CapCut on your PC so your captions, titles, or on-screen text look cleaner, more organized, and easier to read. This is super useful for short-form videos, tutorials, edits, and any project where you want your text to stand out a little more professionally. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple CapCut tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open CapCut on your PC. Once CapCut is open, you can either create a brand new project or open an existing one, depending on what you're working on. If you already have a video project started, just go ahead and continue from there. Next, add your video to the timeline. This gives you a project area to work in, and it also helps you place your text exactly where you want it to appear in your edit. After your video is added, look over to the text section in CapCut, click on it, and then select Add Text. This will create a new text layer that you can customize however you want. Now click into the text box and type the first line of your text. This is the first part of your caption or title. Once you've typed that first line, press Enter on your keyboard. That's the key step here because pressing Enter starts a new line inside the same text box. After that, type the second line of your text. And just like that, your text is now split into two lines within one text layer. This is a simple trick, but it makes a big difference in how your text appears on screen. You can now adjust the font, size, color, spacing, and placement to make it fit your video perfectly. If needed, you can also drag the text box around the preview window to position it where it looks best. And if you want to make the text even more eye-catching, you can add animation, shadow, outline, or a background to improve readability. The main thing to remember is that pressing Enter between the two lines is what creates that clean two-line text effect. So if your text is looking too long in a single line, just split it into two lines this way and your layout will instantly look better. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy CapCut tips and editing tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.